Hello and welcome back, viewers. So today I came across a very strange but believable stuff, and I wanted to channel this out to you as well. So basically, after remaining dormant for over 9 years, a Satoshi era wallet has been activated just a few hours ago. This wallet was last active during early 2012. The owner of this wallet initiated a transfer of 640 Bitcoin to an unidentified wallet on the network. It is interesting to note that idle addresses hold over 9% of the circulating supply. That is mad, according to me. An article read that a large portion of Satoshi era coins that were acquired at an average price of $5.27 is on the move, hinting that the mysterious Bitcoin creator who disappeared from the community in 2011 is cashing out. So some people are speculating that this wallet address belongs to none other than Satoshi himself. Sleeping Bitcoin wallets are waking up. According to the most accurate estimate, Satoshi Nakamoto owns somewhere between 980,000 to 1.1 million Bitcoins with an estimated unspent value of at least $37.24 billion. Bitcoin tokens mined before Satoshi went completely anonymous and are known within the cryptocurrency community as Satoshi Bitcoins. It is likely that wallets created in this era belong to Satoshi, including the one that moved 640 Bitcoin a few hours ago. Crypto traders are also speculating about the next steps that the wallet owner may take with these old Bitcoin tokens. What is known for a fact is that the receiving wallet has no previous transaction history, which makes it difficult to ascertain what is next. Meanwhile, the sending address has received small mining rewards in the past, and there has been no activity since 2012. So this address has received mining rewards, which points out that this address has mined Bitcoins before. As the price of Bitcoin is around $33,000, the 640 Bitcoin amounts to about $21.2 million. Similar incidents of old Bitcoin tokens on the move had been reported in February of 2021 as well. Two wallets moved 100 Bitcoin out of dormancy when Bitcoin was trading around the $51,000 mark. Excellent display of holding right there for all of you watching right now. Half of these coins are thought to have landed in German exchange bitcoin.de, and the remaining 50 are sitting in a newly created wallet address. Now usually when a large number of old Bitcoins are moved throughout the blockchain, crypto enthusiasts are cautious about Bitcoin price action. The likelihood that these coins hit exchanges increase, like they did in February, putting downward pressure on the flagship cryptocurrency. This is something I have already explained on my channel before. An increase in the number of Bitcoin available on exchanges means there is more of it available for traders to sell. Now, since the demand on crypto exchanges does not always increase proportionately with the supply, the chances of a sell-off increase followed by a drop in Bitcoin price. Straightforward, right? So look out for more of these moves, traders. That is probably it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.